The most valuable resource we have is time, and how you use your time is entirely up to you. But you need to be careful how you use it, because once it's gone, there's no taking it back. If you want to be effective in your career and personal life, you must learn how to use this valuable resource. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some time and money management strategies from 3 different time horizons: short, medium, and long term, so you may be more productive in your career and personal life. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel. Now, let's get started. Let's kick things off by discussing money in the short term. In this instance, the definition of short term is when you invest money today and receive an instant return. Purchasing tools that give you leverage is your investment approach in this case. Budget is irrelevant in this situation. You must work with what you've got. It's crucial to recognize the tools you require to increase leverage and to not be hesitant to invest in them. Your short-term financial investment is not recurring. It could occur monthly or only once a year. The fact that you can utilize it right now and that it increases leverage are both important. It can take anywhere from 6 months to 5 years to obtain and integrate in the medium term. Everything that teaches you how to put something into practice is worth investing in, including courses, books, internships, apprenticeships, and mentorships. This will give you the best return on your investment. No matter how much money you have, whether it's a few dollars or tens of thousands, you should always set aside money for this purpose and use it. With this level of investment, you can't fail. Your talents cannot be taken away. Therefore, establish a list of 5 educational investments you can make this year that you can use for the following 5 years. Hone your skills and broaden your network. Buy the book if it sounds like it might provide you with some fresh perspective. Enroll in a program if someone created a course on how to execute a specific task and you need it. Purchase a ticket to an event if you think you might learn something useful or meet someone significant to your business. These stuff will always be worth something. Even if you don't learn anything new, you may still feel validated in your current path. And even if it ends up being a total waste of time, it's simply how things work. Moving on to your money in the long term, compounding is the key word for this. Long term meaning at least 10 years. Contrary to what many people think, this is actually the simplest and most direct method of investing. The market cannot be timed. There is no such thing as a mathematical formula. Simply invest in solid, strong companies, then set it aside. Let time run its course. Many will panic and lose a lot of money during the impending recession when the markets are in the red. The wealthy hunt during that time since everything will be discounted. Blue chip art is one of the best performing alternative assets, so using it as a security against the future volatility makes sense. Let's discuss time. The majority of you are time billionaires, which means you have 31 years or more to live. Most billionaires on paper would be happy to swap places with billionaires on time. Consider whether Warren Buffett would prefer to have $1 billion extra dollars or $1 billion extra seconds. How can you maximize and appropriately invest this strategic resource now that it is at your disposal? We'll walk you through the process. Let's discuss time in the short term. Your time investment plan for the short term focuses on daily inputs. Work that is specially designed to push you further is called an input. Since they are binary, you either completed them or not. If you're in the mood for them or not, these inputs take place every single day. They can be boring, but they are necessary. A person who succeeds does so through hard work and repetition, rather than ability or a miracle. Make an effort to get 3 different inputs on feedback each day, focusing on your career, health, and relationships. You need to do these unrelated tasks. Just keep in mind that heading to work is not an input. This framework pushes you to enrich your life like reading 20 pages a day on how to improve at what you do. Thus, daily inputs are your short-term investing strategy for your time. You will need to invest in experience in the medium term. 1 to 5 years is considered the medium term. Why 5 years? Because the world typically undergoes a significant shift at that time. There will be development of new technology, methods of doing things, and industries. We are currently at the phase where humans, machines, and algorithms are learning how to collaborate. In the upcoming years, more than half of all people on the earth will need to retrain or acquire new skills. Experience is your time's medium-term investment strategy. You must participate and educate yourself about the new reality. Learn about all the changes. Consider how you'll fit into these new situations and decide whether you need to change your direction or not if you want to stay ahead of the game. You want to be the knowledgeable one when the majority of the world finally realizes what is going on. There is currently a severe lack of people skilled in the new methods of doing things. Smart individuals like you are needed in all these emerging industries to make a difference and enhance education. So, seize the chance and participate. All of these sectors, climate change, green energy, blockchain, artificial intelligence development, and others, need visionaries and innovators. We'll concentrate on memories for your long-term time investment plan. The only valuable possession you'll have when you're older is your family and the memories you've accumulated over the years. Now, keep in mind that your work is merely something you do while doing other things. Don't let it consume all of your time and define who you are. Always seize the opportunity to do something truly memorable. Consider it an investment for your memory portfolio. No one can take your memories away from you because they are inflation-proof. Like any other wise investment, they also pay dividends. You receive pleasant dividends whenever you reflect on a nice memory from your past. Recall your proudest moments from the past. It simply makes sense to increase the variety of memories in your portfolio since you can feel your happiness bank filling up. Don't compromise your investment in the memory portfolio because there are numerous ways to do it. Others can provide you with encouragement and inspiration. But in order for your investment in time and money to be successful, you must be the one to do it. Therefore, invest your time wisely by accepting full responsibility for your life if you want to be more productive and succeed. Although it's not always simple, it's definitely worth it. Keep in mind that achieving results and accomplishing goals takes time. You won't notice results right away, just as Rome wasn't built in a day. Your work and life will start to improve if you stay the course and be patient. And you'll finally achieve the success you want. That's a wrap for this episode, which we hope you enjoyed and learned something from. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.